Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable port security on a Cisco switch. For this, open Device Manager and see COM port number. After that, open PuTTY and enter COM port number. Port security basically used for denying unauthorized device on your network. For example, if someone wants access on your switch, so port security basically deny that device using MAC address. Go to interface fast Ethernet 0/1, switch mode access, so you can assign that interface fast Ethernet 0/1 on switch port access VLAN 10. Now we will select interface fast Ethernet 0/1. Now here is the correct command, switchport port security, to enable port security on Ethernet port. I'm enabling on the first port of my switch. Okay, so here is written switchport port security maximum 1. So after my device, if another person wants access on that particular port, so he can't, because it will find same MAC address and identify the unauthorized device. So we will set also switchport port security violence. It will show a message when someone plug a Ethernet cable on the port. Few seconds later, I'll show you that message. Okay, we are setting switchport port security violence. We are using violation restrict, and after some time I'll show you the message. Okay, please use a LAN cable, one end to your PC and other end to your switch on port 1. So when you plug another device on that port, it will show you message. You can see port security is enabled now. I'm highlighting this. See the change state to up, and here you can see the message of another device that it is denying. Thank you everyone.